Hey y'all, Charles here from AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. So we're gonna do this house real quick right here. Alright, it's a 2-story house. It's a $400 invoice. You know, we gave them, they said okay with it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wet the house first, get some before pictures, and then after that, get after pictures, alright? Already make sure all the windows were closed. I talked to the owner. I said, please make sure the windows stay closed. Alright, I also did a video of the whole house, alright? Because to look for any damages. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so here we go, y'all. So what I did pre-wet the house first. I was told, and it does look better. Like if you wet the house real good, it makes it real shiny. And those are good before picture, right? When the house is real wet, you know what I mean, showing all that mold and mildew, okay? So you always want good before and after pictures, okay? So quality means a lot, all right? So make sure you do a real good job on that before picture, all right? When you do a before picture, take the after. Remember where you stood at and how you angled the picture, and when you do the after picture, go in the same spot, the same angle, okay? So good and before after pictures, right? So when you start marketing, posting stuff on Facebook or on the Nextdoor app, you know, or on Google, when people see those before and after pictures, they'll be like, oh wow, what a big difference. You know what I'm saying? So it makes a big difference, y'all. I also wet the windows real good because SH, if you let it sit for a while, it does like stain the window, all right? And yet you'll end up right there, just like when you're rinsing. You'll be there for like a couple of minutes just trying to rinse off all that SH off the windows, all right? So make sure you wet the windows real good, all right? And then when I do apply the SH, I try not to go like apply it on the window, but I'll go like around the window, all right? It's still going to get on the window, y'all, okay? So just make sure you rinse it off real good, okay? So always start on one, so I usually start in the back, but because of where the fence was at, I'm starting on the house's left side, okay? And I'm gonna make my way around the back, and then when I come back around, I'm gonna rinse where I start. I'm gonna start rinsing where I started applying the SH. All right, so always make sure you tell the customer, please make sure all the windows are closed, and try not to come in and out the front door, or please don't open the garage. All right, if you do, shoot me a text. I got my phone on vibrate. I'll be able to feel it. Just give me a heads up. You need to come out the house or open up the garage, okay? Because look, y'all, if you get SH in the house, all right, it may stain something, their clothes or whatever. All right, so this is sodium hypochlorite. It's like a bleach, okay? Actually, is bleach, all right? That's the main ingredient inside bleach is sodium hypochlorite. All right, I get my SH from my nearest MVP store about an hour away. They deliver. This is I'm using 5 gallons of SH on this house. A 5-gallon bucket is only $15, though. So I'm getting a good deal. Okay, so see if your nearest supply dealer of SH, like a pressure washing store, can deliver to you and how much it is. All right, so this is 12.5% SH. When it comes out the gun downstreaming, it's coming out like about a 1.2%, okay? Because after downstreaming, you know, like water flowing through the pressure washer hose with the SH is getting diluted from 12.5 to 1.2% SH. How do I find out how hot my SH is when it comes out the gun? I did a bucket test. All right, that's you just filling up. I have a 15-gallon jug, and I'm downstreaming just 1 gallon of water. Whenever it fills up to that 50-gallon jug, I stop when that 1 gallon bucket is done, and I do some math, right? And then that's a whole different video. But anyway, so I'm laying down 1.2% on the house, okay? So this was a real dirty spot right here, okay? This is real dirty. I don't know if you saw like on that little part of the shed, I showed a before picture. That was like one dirtiest spots right there, because that's where all the shade is at. There's no sun getting on the house, in the front of the house, and on that shed. Okay, so this gets built up algae real bad. All right, so I had to actually pre-treat not pre-treat, I had to treat it with SH a second time on the front of the house. There's the other dirty side. This is the most satisfying side, I believe, because it's just a whole lot of area that is just full of algae, okay? So I'm using for my tips, my pressure washing tips, I'm using a M5 twist and a David Shooter tip. Right now I'm using a David Shooter tip, okay? It shoots at a more narrow stream to get it more up to the top of the peak of the house because I'm fighting a lot of wind here. All right, it's very windy. I'm trying to whip it up there to the top. All right, I don't know if you saw me at the beginning, like whipping it. You know what I mean? Like just whip it up there. All right, now I'm shooting to this is the M5 twist right now, y'all. Okay, so I love the M5 twist. M5 twist will also reach up there if you whip it. You know what I mean? But I like the M5 twist because it has a nozzle, and you could like set it to where it goes 2 stories, and set it where it goes to the like right here, like the bottom of the house. All right. M5 twist, I like it because it doesn't shoot a lot of pressure. All right. That's why I always say soft wash, house wash. I never say pressure wash a house when I talk to the customer because pressure will damage property. Okay, it could damage a siding. All right. And they say, well, you're using a pressure washer, right? Yes, we're using a pressure washer, but we're applying low pressure to the house by keeping our distance when we're applying our chemical and when we're rinsing. Okay, always keep your distance, y'all, because pressure doesn't clean the house. What's cleaning the house, y'all, is the chemical, the sodium hypochlorite, right? That's that bleach. Bleach kills, y'all. It's killing all that algae. It's going to just melt it away. So by the time I'm done applying the SH all the way around the house, you're going to see when I come back to rinse, it's just going to be melted off the house. It's amazing, y'all, okay? Sodium hypochlorite is the main ingredient. It's what melts the algae off the house in a mold, okay? It's that hot sauce, all right? The chemical of all chemicals, all right? But this is what's going to clean the house. It's SH, sodium hypochlorite. There's other products out there. There's you can find at Home Depot or Lowe's. All kinds of stuff out there, y'all, okay, you can find. All right? But SH, man, this is the main ingredient that's gonna kill the algae off the house. We don't have a pressure washing supply store nearby or a pool supply store. You can find pool essentials. Let's say pool cleaner. You can find it at Walmart, Home Depot, or Lowe's. It's actually 10% SH inside of it. So by the time you downstream it out the gun, it'll come out to 1.2%, which is real good to house wash a house. Okay, it's strong enough to get off all that algae and mold. All right, Jar's with me filming. I'm thankful that he was with me. I saved a lot of time with him filming because I had to like stop what I'm doing, place the camera, make sure I got a good view. But Gerard did a good job filming. All right, hey, hit that like button, y'all, for Gerard. Okay, you know what I mean. I'm thankful that he was there with me. All right, me and Gerard, we go to church together, and he was asking about pressure washing. You know what I mean, like this questions like, hey, well, you know, why don't you tag along with me? And so that's why he's here. He's watching me how I do it. And he's like, wow, this is easy. You know what I mean? After we did the first house together. And so, but I'm just thankful he's there. He could video. He could like hold the camera and shoot the videos for me. But anyway, so here I am on the porch. I'm making sure I'm getting the top part with SH. But look, y'all, so that's where I started at. You see all that? Remember where it was real green? It's already all melted off, okay? So I sped up the editing a little bit more because I'm just real quick. This has it's not even that much dirty. But I don't know if you notice the chimney, how it's kind of busted, the vinyl. That's why you have to take before and after pictures, y'all, okay? Because you don't want the customer to blame you for damages. That way you can show them, hey, well, that damage was already here. Here's a picture. So this is real quick. I edited real fast. All right, this is like the cleanest part of the house. All right, so I'm still applying SH to clean it off because the windows did have some algae on it. Hey, but look, y'all, so here's the beginning of the house where I started. I'm applying the SH. Look, it's already like all that algae's melted off, okay? All I'm doing is rinsing off the windows real good, rinsing off the house of any excess SH, all right? And while I'm rinsing off the windows in the house, I'm also hitting those bushes, those flowers real good with water, okay? Always wet the bushes and flowers and windows before and during and after, okay? Look at that, y'all. Look, remember that real dirty side right here? Man, look how clean it is. All right, here's the back of the house. And look how clean this house is, y'all. All it is just sodium hypochlorite. So we just got paid, but check it out. All right. So I downstream 12.5% SH out of the gun. It's real windy, y'all. So I had to use my my 3-foot lance. So the extra 3 feet was able to reach the top over there, the top of the house. Okay. But I just talked to the customer. She's real happy. She paid cash. It was a $400 house wash. Yes, I said house wash, even though I'm using a pressure washer. So this side was real stuck. I had to treat it again. I didn't put it on video. I had to treat it again. Okay. You could rub it off, but you know what? We're here to house wash, not to rub off. All right. Here's a shed right here. This part was all this part was the side that wasn't getting enough light. All right. She even told me she didn't get. The last time she got her house wash was 4 years ago. Okay, so if you want to be real careful, you could apply a little bit of pressure to get stubborn stains off, but you could damage your house. Okay, so if you're gonna do that, be careful, right? I mean, it works, but you have a risk of damaging the house. But here's the other side. There's the other side that was real green. Other than that, y'all, hey, tell me what you think. Please leave a review. I had Gerard out here. Gerard was out here helping me. Okay, he's getting into it. So he wanted to see how I did it, the process. All right. He timed it. It was 1minute and 13 seconds total, but you have to, he did it when I started pre-rinsing, so you don't got to pre-rinse. All right. Here's the setup y'all used. All right, there's a 5x8 trailer with my water hose, pressure washer hose right there, pressure washer hose. I got my 4 gallon per minute right there. I got a ladder just in case I need it. Back here is where I strap down the SH along with the surface cleaner. Okay, so you don't have to pre-treat. I mean, you don't got to pre-wet, okay? So you could take pre-wetting off. Now you have less than an hour. Then I had to do a second coating in the front and then run a 5 gallon bucket again to rinse out the water, to rinse out the pressure washer hose. So that's like another, let's say, 20 minutes right there, y'all. So you could actually do this like in about 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. Especially if you have a smaller house, okay? Other than that, y'all, hey, thanks for watching. Hey, AllCoast Lawn Care. Look us up on Google, all right? Hey, leave a comment on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you on the next video. Bye.